Welcome to the bike ride. It's called the bike ride. You're gonna have lots of fun and do some stuff. And I hope you like my video. I'm gonna be back in an hour. I'm gonna go bike riding. See ya. Okay. Bye. I'm in 1 hour. I'm at. One hour later. Guys, I'm back. Great. Who's next? Me. I'll be back in two hours. Two hours later. Guys, I'm back. Who wants to go next? I do. I'll be back in 3 hours. Okay. Three hours later. Guys, I'm back. Oh, great. I'm going next. I'll be back in 4 hours. Four hours later. I'm back. Okay, let's all go on it now. We're all gonna be back in about, I don't know, 5 hours. Five hours later. Okay. Now we're gonna dance. your turn. Now let's all dance.
Hello? You hang it up? Hello?
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. And